Good morning to one and all, and myself Pravita, Assistant Professor from Hindustan College of Engineering and Technology, Coimbatore, and the topic which you are going to see today is about files, that is the file concept which we use in Python language, right? File handling is nothing but a process of working with files. So we can import a text file or some sort of binary file inside the Python language or inside the portal which we use for Python IDE, and we can perform some operations like reading or writing to the files. So Python provides many built-in functions and methods for file handling, allowing you to perform various operations on files. So in this video we are going to see some overview of common file handling tasks in Python, right? So when opening a file in Python, you need to specify the mode in which you want to open the file. The mode determines the type of operation you can perform on the file. So mode is a very important thing while we import a file inside Python. So here are the different types of modes for opening a file, right? We have various modes of opening a file and which we are going to see. The first one is read mode. For reading a file, we are just going to use the alphabet R, right? So when we open a file in read-only mode, we can use the alphabet R. So if we don't mention it also, by default, when you open a file, it just opens in read mode. So RB is used to open a file in binary mode for reading. Binary mode is nothing but zeros and ones. Usually we use to import image file using binary mode. And the second one is write mode. For write mode, we use the alphabet W. So opening the file in write mode, we use the W alphabet. If the file exists, it clears the file or it truncates the file. If the file doesn't exist, it creates a new file, right? So WB is an alphabet which we use to open a file in binary mode for writing binary files or binary data. And the next mode is append mode. For appending, we use the alphabet A. So for appending a file, we can open the file using A alphabet. So if the file exists, it appends the data to the end of the file. If the file doesn't exist, it creates a new file, right? And the same way, AB is used to open a file in binary mode for appending, right? So B alphabet is used for binary mode. And to read and write mode. So when we create a file for both reading and writing, or we can open the file by using the symbol R plus. So alphabet R and operator plus is used to open a file in read and write mode, which allows both reading and writing operations on the file. So in Python, we can just open the data, open the file with R plus for reading and writing, both functions. And W plus is used to open a file in write and read mode. So first the data will be written and then we can read it off. So it truncates a file if it exists. So while opening a file in write mode, we should be very careful. So if there is a file already, it clears the data and it opens a new file. Or if there is no file exists, it opens a new file. So this write W plus also allows both reading and writing operations. So A plus is used to open the file in append or read mode. So we can just append and then read the data. It appends the data to the end of the file. So already there is some content in it, and at the end the data is additionally added. If file exists, it just append to it or it just creates a new file. And this A plus is also used for both reading and writing an operation. Then the last one is exclusive creation. For that we use the alphabet X. So this X mode opens the file for exclusive creation. That is, if it fails if the file already exists. So if there is a file in the particular name, this operation won't perform for creating a new file. So it won't create a new file. If already exists, it automatically closes it, right? And for opening a file, we use the open method. So in this this example, we have created a variable called file, and to open the data we use open method. In the two parameters is used. One is the file name and another one is the mode of opening. So if the file exists in the same folder where you have saved the program, so you can just mention file name or we have to mention the file path along with it. Right? For reading a file content, we can use read method. So for read method, we have three methods, that is read, readline and readlines. The read method is used to write the entire content, read the entire content of the file length. So readline, it is used for single line, and readlines, LANS, reads all the lines and returns them as a list to us. And for writing to a file, we use a write method. In this example, there is an example hello world, some sort of statement is written to the file by using write method, and file is the one which we use, the variable which we use for creating a file. The file.write method is used to write some data to the file. And next one, writing multiple lines to the file. For writing multiple lines, first we have to create a list. For this example, lines is a variable for creating a list. So in such square basis, they have given 3 lines, that is first one, line 1, line 2 and line 3. And these list is written by using file.writeLines of. So these lines are loaded into the file. For closing a file, of course, after we read or write a file, we have to close a file. It is a must. So we can close a file by using file.close method. It is mandatory to close a file at the end of the all operations. After you open a file, after you read or write any content of the file, and at last when you are going to close the program, we have to give file.close method to close the open the file. Right? Thank you for today. Thank you all.